Welcome to Wander, Explore, Discover.
Today we're going to explore Habitat Noosa.
We're going to take a boat ride down the Noosa Everglades.
Habitat Noosa is an eco-camping ground on 65,000 hectares in the Great Sandy National Park, 30 kilometres from Noosa.
It is situated on the edge of Lake Cootharaba, the largest tidal lake in Queensland, and is the gateway to the Noosa Everglades.
Habitat Noosa is proud of its ecotourism business, and it respects nature and the land by using biodegradable packaging, utilising solar power for the powered sites, and naturally sourcing and treating the water. If you want more places to wander, explore and discover, subscribe to our channel for new videos every week.
In today's video, we watch the sunrise over Lake Cootharaba, show you around Habitat Noosa, and take a boat ride through the Noosa Everglades. We also watch the kangaroos in the campground and go for a wander to Mill Point. Lake Cootharaba is the largest tidal lake on the Noosa River. It is 25 kilometres around the perimeter and it's quite shallow, with an average depth of 1.5 metres. It is also the perfect place to sit back and watch the sunrise.
The CootharaBAR and Bistro has coffee, snacks, gelato, lunch and dinner daily. It also has a microbrewery with 11 beers brewed on site.
We enjoyed starting the day with coffee and croissants overlooking the lake. We also enjoyed the gelato, a lovely pizza and a few drinks in the afternoons.
At Habitat Noosa, you can hire stand-up paddleboards, canoes, wave skis, kayaks and tinnies for use on Lake Cootharaba and the Noosa Everglades. There are only 2 Everglades in the world, and the other one is in Florida. We enjoyed meandering down the tea tree infused waterways lined with ancient rainforests.
The Everglades are nicknamed the River of Mirrors, and it provides stunning photo opportunities and a lovely relaxing boat ride. We hired a small tinny, which doesn't require a boat licence, and took a leisurely boat ride down the Noosa Everglades.
You can also take a boat tour with Eco Everglades Safari or kayak down the Everglades from Habitat Noosa.
dusk, we sat back and watched the eastern grey kangaroos come into the camping and glamping areas to graze.
From Habitat Noosa, there are several walking trails through the Great Sandy National Park. We wandered along the Mill Point track, an easy 1.2 kilometre return walk.
Point was a small township with a sawmill. It is now a heritage listed site with several information boards and the remains of the old boiler.
Habitat Noosa has powered and unpowered campsites suitable for caravans, motorhomes, tents, swags and camper trailers. They also have wilderness safari tents and paper bark glamping tents.
Other facilities at Habitat Noosa include a camp kitchen, toilets, showers, drinking water, a dump point and rubbish bins.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. You can find more information and places to wander at wanderexplorediscover.com.